It's day 24 of our 31 Days to Prioritize Your Sanity challenge. This is the day that I have actually been the most excited for, today's challenge. I don't know why, but it's just, it's a good one. And probably it's something that you're not planning on doing. So first off, start with doing your breath work, of course, and setting your intention for the day. If you celebrate Christmas, it's Christmas Eve, so deep breathing today. I hope that you have something super exciting and fun planned. And this is your mini task for today. Go stargaze. Stand outside, look up at the sky, and just be in that moment of absolute awe about the natural beauty in this world. Stargaze, and maybe you'll see something special up there.